Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a calendar in Smartsheet. First, open your Smartsheet and create a new sheet. Here in the first column, simply click on the three dots and rename it. For example, My August. You can make the column bigger. Next column, rename it to, for example, Start and change its type to Date. Click on OK. Next, third column, rename it and do the same thing and hit OK. Now on the first column, simply put your activities throughout the month. Then on the next column, simply put the starting date. Next column, input the end date, and that's it.